That was us. That was us. We were there. So yeah, this is site number 1, day number 1. I don't know how zoomed in it is on my face.
It's perfect.
Perfect? This is Lana here. I just offered her a chocolate muffin and she's eating it. Rate the muffin. Can you guess where it was from? Yeah, good. Different. Anyway. Oh, I'm Carmen, your host. I forgot to introduce myself. Anyway, so this is campsite number 1. What? How do I zoom out? Oh, you can't? Okay. This is just super zoomed in, so I just have to like go out. This is the area where we like hang out. This is the makeshift what do you call it? Washing line with a ratchet strap created by moi. What? Moi? Not moi. Moi. This is Lana's inside out tent. She put it inside out. She when setting it up, she was like, "Is it inside out?" Oh no! And then she flips it so then it could be inside out. It was actually the right way the first time, but she said so she can keep her privacy. She can open the fly screen and still keep her privacy. So yeah, this is Steph and I's double swag. In there we've got Psycho Killer, which is like a fun board game that I was like, oh my god. And we're also going to watch a horror movie tonight, which is going to be fun. Talk to Me. I have seen the trailer and it's good because I was actually going to watch it with my friend, but then it went out in cinemas. So
I saw the trailer and it's bad. But Steph said it's one of her faves. So.
I mean, I looked at the trailer and I was like, I don't hate it. So, but clearly Lana didn't think that. Anyway, and then here's Steph. I have also Piglet in the chili. This is Clayton's. Oh my gosh, Clayton put his own stuff on his thing. Oh, pardon me. And this is Matthew's massive tent because he gets claustrophobic. And this is snack pile. We got beans, obviously. Some donuts there. Got some chips, a bunch of stuff in there. Yeah, just a random food pile. And then we have a bunch of other foods at the back, but we can't open that right now because
Reasons.
Yeah, because of reasons. But also because we got the ratchet strap. Oh my gosh, my brain. I don't know what to do now. I think that's it. Maybe we'll film later.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll film later, maybe we won't. Maybe you'll see us on day 2 or day 3. Probably day 2. But we should introduce you to the squad. Because this is only 2 of the 3. 2 of the... There's 3 more, there's 2 of the 5. Steph went, she had a little shower moment and then she went back to the beach. Not to swim, but to spectate.
You look very like Stranger Things right now, like from the top up.
Thank you. Do you like Stranger Things?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like the era.
Okay.
I like the
Then I'll
vibes.
take that as a compliment.
Yeah.
Okay, we should probably end it now. So, signing off.
Oh, sorry.
So we're both in. How do you turn it off now?
Just click this.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Down around me about 2 or 3 times, smoking cigarettes in the last seat.
We're on a train.
That's kind of nice.
We're gonna be showing our kids this in the future. Yeah, Clayton. Wait, we get to introduce everyone. Oh yeah. That's the urban. That's the urban. This is the urban clan. Wait, we'll show for context. No, they don't need context. Okay.
I won't have to go home.
Matthew.
Be alone.
This is Matthew Urban.
No, trust me, if this does work, I am supporting it on my Instagram page.
It's just black.
It's sad. If it turns black, it's really sad.
And also the design of the truck. For the meantime,
I'm tired of running around looking for answers to questions that I already know.
They just want to add more. They didn't want to have like a good variety, they just want to have one really long one. Well, I guess because
Count the days and the nights that it takes to get back in the saddle again. Feed the pigeons some clay, turn the night into day, and start talking again when I know what to say. I'm going down to the Greyhound station, gonna get a ticket to ride. Find a big fat lady with 2 or 3 kids and sit down by her side. Ride till the sun comes up and down around me about 2 or 3 times.
I'm filming.
Smoking cigarettes in the last seat. Trying to hide my sorrow from the people I meet and get along with it all.
That takes balls.
Go down where people say, oh, feed the pigeons some clay.
Imagine he doesn't resurface.
Turn the night into day.
Now, does he resurface? That's the question. Does he? Clayton?
Hey!
Yeah! I miss her life. I was genuinely worried about Clayton. I can't see him. Oh, there he is!
Keep going, keep going.
I'm feeling lonely, somewhere to change now. Our fucking inches taking shit out of my finger now. 16 cold day, trying to find my way home. I really calm down and straight for the hospital.
It's recording. Lana.
Yeah?
Say hi.
Hi guys, we just packed up. We're leaving Tasman Holiday Park.
No, I didn't film yet.
Oh,
Do you guys
Just cover
wanna
your
go to
face.
the Injured Up Beach?
And here's Clayton.
Everybody, Injured Up Beach, do you want to go? Or just a natural spot?
Maybe, I don't know. We just, yeah, finished packing up like Steph said. What is it, day 3? Day 3. Day 3.
I walked down to Yelling Up Beach. I followed Yelling Up Beach Road. Very, very nice.
Why is this lighting horrible right now?
It's a very, very beautiful
Put your
scenic
finger.
walk.
No.
I don't want to film myself.
Okay, now nothing's really happening. Okay, bye.
I'm coming back again. I got a taste of love in a simple way. And if you need to know where I'm still standing, it's right on the wreck you hide behind that man.
Spotto!
I'm still standing after all this time. Touching you, sweet Caroline. Bum, bum, bum.
It's never too early to sing.
It's too early because it's reaching out. touching me.
Any romance song in
And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Your love is how deep is your love. Oh my God, it got so long. Hey guys, we just finished at what's it called? Injured Up Spa, natural spa, and we spent about how long? Like 40 minutes.
It's 11:10 now.
And it was really fun. Was it fun?
It was very nice.
It was fun.
Salt.
Salt. It was salt. It was salt. I forgot to grab salt for Kate. Sorry.
I ate it.
Some things I need to be in love with you. Falling in love. Right. Can't even see you on the camera. It's so dark.
That's what I was saying.
So you changed your mind now, Clay? You want to get married? No, I did not. How about you?
Oh my God, their hair.
Hey guys, so we're currently at the Market River Chocolate Factory. I didn't buy anything. Lana, wait, hold up. They're coming. The group is coming. Clayton's running away because there's a camera here, and Steph's doing something. There's Matthew. He also bought stuff. Wow. Steph didn't realize I was holding the camcorder. Okay, Lana's gonna do a haul. Just wait.
This is for my sister because she likes lollies, and this is for my mom. This is for my mom, not custard, because hopefully she enjoys that. Oh.
Apparently she likes nuts. That's what Lana said.
Yeah, for someone.
I got this, and I'm gonna eat it now.
Can I bite?
Of course you can.
Is that the nut cluster?
No.
Okay, you can go now.
So I got this for Gemma because I couldn't be
What's
stuck.
this? It's really blurry.
White chocolate.
White chocolate?
Drops. Milk chocolate drops. I got that one for Gemma because I didn't want stuff getting fudged. I got that one for Amy because it's Amy. And then I got this sea salt caramel filling chocolate bar for Belinda because she likes it a lot apparently. And I got this Rocky Road for me and my dad, and my mum will probably just have, a bit of Gemma, a bit of Amy's. That's it.
So well thought out. What did you get?
I got dark chocolate, that's it.
Dark chocolate is better than my
Steph, you didn't finish your whole.
I just tasted this. It's very good. dark chocolate coated ginger.
Oh, you ended up finding it.
Ginger chocolate is the best thing in the world. And then I got this. Carmen and I are gonna eat this up. It's cranberry and pistachio. Everyone else can have some as well, but it's cranberry and pistachio dark chocolate. Nougat. I sound like a smoker. I'm doing all this live reaction, guys. Is there a center?
Good. Oh, it squeaked in my teeth.
That's what I said. Steph's nails are slaying. Speaking of your nails,
Surprise! What is this surprise?
look what I found.
That's mine.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
On there.
Oh no.
Go!
That's someone else's nail.
The fact that you...
I found it on the ground as I was walking back up, and I was like, oh, that's so funny. I'll think over that.
I feel like
I
you should...
disposed of mine correctly.
I feel like,
Do it out the window.
yeah, she threw it out the window.
Correctly.
Acrylic plastic.
Correctly.
I feel like you just need to sort of take the nail now and just put it in a special box.
Yeah, I think
It's a fond memory.
Yeah.
It's a fond memory now.
Put it in this flower.
It has significance.
It's got a wrapper.
Yeah. Someone can open
Ew,
that.
God, no, that makes me feel weird. Alright, keep on. Oh God, it's someone's like nail
Yeah.
layers stuck.
Mine are like slowly chipping. Nail check. Nail check, guys. Nail check. Okay. Nail check.
Up. I don't know what should I do with the camcorder now?
Okay, Steph wanted me to film again because we're gonna try this. What is it? Cranberry.
My mum's got a
Pistachio nougat.
sapphire, I think.
Like they're really good.
I couldn't really get a good photo of it, but that's kind of like what this is. It's very nice. See that? My grandma's mum. My grandma's mum got that as like a
Oh,
some
it's
kind
so
of thing. It's a
blurry.
really bad photo. I couldn't really get a good photo.
It's so blurry on here. Okay, that's the best we're gonna just with you.
It's massive.
You know.
It's more cranberry than pistachio.
I'm gonna put one in mine here.
All the chocolate's really rich.
I love dark chocolate.
We did do that.
If that's the caves.
And then we also did that one too. That's also cake. Yeah. Dirty shoe.
Look at the grime on them. It sucks. It's okay. Mine was a pretty grimy sock. Oh, it's pretty grimy.
I had to say. There's no point in me cleaning these because they're $2 from Menko. I could just get another pair.
Lana has the dogs out.
Yeah, look, I'm hiding
Steph has the dogs sealed, but she's smart because she took black shoes.
These shoes have been through everything. The
Yeah, no, I
Philippines.
go.
The Philippines. Pig's blood.
Yeah, there's some lore there.
Parties.
Oh, that was us.
Yeah, this isn't even a year old either.
My old pair of sneakers had like rabbit
Yeah.
on it, like
Mine-
rabbit blood.
Mine. We did that.
Jet ski.
You have money?
I won't be able to do anything to you.
But what the hell, boy?
What is a Steph's party if I get
Oh god. Why, how did I get that? Okay. Got it on camera!
You made me feel a certain kind of way.
Oh my.
This is evidence.
In the court of law. Wait. Oh, they all fell off. Look at that.
I feel like a Disney princess.
As you should.
Look, us. That's us.
They're still falling.
There we go. There we go. Wow, you just moved your head even more.
Sorry.
Wow. I'm saying bye now. Bye.
Oh, damn.
Hey guys, this is our last ever day. But let me just give you a little update. What I've been doing over the past few days. I don't know when Carmen stopped recording, but basically yesterday we had kind of a chill day because it was really cold, and there was like nowhere to go swimming because it was so cold. I mean, there's loads of places to go swimming, but it was too cold. So we went up shop. Well, first we went to the bakery, and while we were at the bakery, Clayton had his interview. So he wasn't at the bakery with us. Bakery was a solid 7 out of 10. The brunch was amazing. They were like cruffins, like croissant muffins. They made me feel a bit sick, but that's just because bakery food isn't my thing. But their kebabs were bloody amazing. And then after that we went book shopping. This bookstore in Augusta has the best prices ever. I mean, like, I was getting books for like $4. And then we went to Clayton's coming back. We went to shops.
Don't fall off. Hello guys, I'm holding this really quick, but we are now eating our dinner at Augusta, and look how beautiful it is. It's so pretty. It's got trees everywhere, and it's so like the bathrooms, my gosh, and they're amazing. Anyway, so we're all walking collectively with our food. We're gonna make some burgers, but the only salad we have is zucchini and cucumbers, so it's gonna be very green and brown and white. Here's Lana walking with me. She's got
Bacon and salad.
Bacon and salad being berries, fruit. I'm assuming, I don't know what I have. She also has a bunch of like cords around her neck, and I've got the charger. And we're just on our way to try and find the kitchen, or something that resembles a kitchen station where you can cook food. It's this way. Oh, it's this way.
River Camp barbecue. There's a river camp.
River camp. Whoa. I don't know what's happening. Why am I holding it?
Cold, I'm freezing.
At the moment,
See, look how pretty it is. It looks like a rich golfing place. Like,
But people are sleeping in tents.
obviously.
I would say that's when you move more niche places. They can actually take how different from what people get.
Matthew talking about cologne, and Clayton resistingly listening to it and just saying yeah. He's just saying yeah to try and shut him up.
I'm giving Clayton
He's not interested. He's definitely not
I think
interested.
Clayton should get the Abercrombie & Fitch authentic green one.
I don't really know sense. I got hair in my mouth. And Lana is, I don't know if I got Lana in. I don't know if I got you in, Lana. I don't know. Oh, look. Look how pretty. There's a doggy. There's more dogs. Dogs living in harmony. My dog could never. There's water over there. Oh. Like the doggy. Doggy likes Clayton. He's like, Eros.
Oh well, we'll find it. Thank you.
Thank you. That was a really nice.
I wouldn't recommend you buy Eros just because I'm
Where is the
and you got it. You have to stand.
We might have to drive somewhere.
Yeah. No, but
The last one that we went to had a full like kitchen and stuff. It was like a communal kitchen with a giant TV, so it was really easy to cook. I don't even know if this place has like an outdoor barbecue area, but we need it to cook our burgers.
Yeah. But this place is like really pretty though. It's super pretty. And it's just, I'm living my woodland I don't think so. I'm living my woodland fairy vibes, you know, like... This is so, like... We feel so tired here, you know, like there's such a community. What?
Feel tired. Feel at home though.
Oh my god, my fingers are turning purple. This is not good.
It says barbecue river camp. Maybe that woman misled us.
Where's the sign again? Like I remember. Oh, is that the sign? Over there, ahead. It says BBQ. It's wrong. It's wrong. Oh, it's too bright. You can't even see it. Anyway, at least you guys get to see the scenery now, and we just walked around. We got to explore the camping site. Yeah, super gorge.
My mum maybe says I'm handsome in some way, but other than that, no.
Like, imagine, like, doing a short film here.
Does
It's
anyone
so
have any charge?
I do.
We need one of you to search.
Your town park.
Yeah, well we need a map.
Yeah, I'll get it up.
It's so pretty.
Okay, we should probably bring the sausages then. Just have cold sausage and cold bacon tomorrow.
Okay. Anyway,
There's no knocking around.
I'm gonna say we might see you guys later. Unless we die. Dun, dun, dun. Your face is way too close. Dun, 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 dun.
Look at our horror setup.
Look. It's so like out of... Look how pretty this tree is.
It's got leaves everywhere.
And vines and... Okay, wait. I haven't even shown you the camp setup. The camp setup is... Jesus! Gosh. Okay, so this is the car and this is the setup. So here is the communal area. All of us in our blue chair cult. And then this is Matthew's tent. I'm pretty sure he sets it up wrong. But no one wants to listen to me, hey. This is Lana's tent, which I set up by myself. This is Clayton's swag, and this is our swag because we're sharing his little thing. So yeah, very exciting. Off we go. We're here! Yay! There's a barbecue.
By the way, Clayton, do you want to take your water bottle out?
Yay! Oh my gosh, my legs are so dirty.
It's fine.
What happened? Oh, the chocolate's fine. Wait, whose chocolate? What chocolate?
What's that chocolate?
Your chocolate.
That's chocolate. Oh!
Wait, did it open? Oh. We need to see,
Can you put this here before?
That dropped on the ground.
like, them individually.
Yes.
Oh, that's fine, bro.
Fixed it up.
That's fine.
Clayton, this is why I don't want you to buy Aeros, because you'll be doing this the entire day. I'm not kidding.
Doing cocaine.
Oh, no, literally, Aeros is like cocaine.
Guys, you guys need to grab the bags.
Oh, I did grab mine. There's Lana still in the car, and we are going to walk up to the barbecue and climb it before anyone else does. And I think there's a bridge. There's a bridge. There's a little bridge. Okay. There's a bin. There's some seats. That's lovely. Lovely to have seats and sit down and eat like respectable people. And we have a barbecue. Yeah?
Well, there is a little power thing there.
No way. Where's the power thing?
That's not.
No.
We can hot wire.
No, we cannot.
Please.
No. Oh. That is not a power plug. I don't know how, but like my pants is wet.
And that's because Eros. Eros is the god of fucking when I spray myself with that, I would have said to myself, it smells so sexy.
That's why you want Clayton to put it on.
Yeah. That's why I don't want her to put them on because it will be irresistible. Not just to me, but to everyone else.
The silence. Oh, I think this is about to die. No! Is that?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, okay, well, goodbye then.
Ollie! 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 Ollie!
I can see it.
Okay.